we are back with a new video. In Python, a function is a group of related statements that perform a specific task. Functions help break a program into smaller parts. As a program grows larger, functions make it more organized and manageable. So let's begin. In this video, we will learn some basics, maths and random functions, def and definition and uses. In this slide, we will learn about integer, string and float. So let's try them out. So let's begin with some examples. We will start with integer. The output will be 7. Let's do string now. The output is 5 in inverted commas. And let's do float now. The output is 45.0. Python provides us a number of important built-in functions that we can use without needing to provide the function definition. The creators of Python wrote a set of functions to solve common problems like minimum and maximum functions. Maximum functions give us largest value in a list. Like in this example, in all the letters of the words hello world, W is the biggest. Minimum functions give a smallest value in a list, like in the word space is the smallest.
Now let's move on to math functions. So to start using math functions, we have to import math, the module. Then we can check that we have imported it correctly by printing math. This should give us the answer of module math built in. Then when we have done this and we have rectified ourselves about if we have imported math correctly, we can check various other methods. These include ratios, decibels, radians, height, degrees, etc. These are just a few of them. You can also use methods such as squaring, square root, cube roots, etc. Now we move on to random functions. So first of all, random numbers. Random numbers just basically gives us a pseudo-random number between 0 to 10 in float form. The important keyword here is float. Then randit. Randit takes the parameters low and high, so we can set a limit such as 0 to 10, which is low is 0 and high is 10, and then it gives us an integer, a number in the form of integer between the set limits that are 0 and 10 in this case. We also have a choice function which makes us basically give the choice between the numbers that we have assigned to it. You can see here a few examples of this which are going on your screen.
Hello everyone, I am Daksh. So, what is my topic? Can you guess? No. Then I will tell you. It is def as well as definition and uses. Def in Python is not what you are thinking. Actually, it is used to make your own function. Isn't that amazing? Why do we need to make a new function? Actually, it is to shorten down the million lines of program, and if there is any trace back, you have to do correction in only one line. You can see an example on the slide. We will give this example in exercise later also. Definition and uses. Actually, in T again function we have included another function p python. Thus, this is places that definition of def is like definitions of other statement. It also shows us that we can use another function in one function. Uses. In the 12th slide, we see a pattern that they are being called again and again. Why? Let us relate this with another function. We always import maths and then call function in it. Just importing it does not make a difference in your program, does it? The same implies with def. Whenever we call it, it works, and if not, it will not make any difference or work.